Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I need to make up some more batonings for all my little fire making projects and for cooking, and so we'll use this piece of water oak. We'll start breaking it down with this Wedge On A Stick. I do not like my Collins axe, so now we'll use it for splitting wood. I treat this hatchet like that because this will not hold an edge. Now you might say operator error as far as using it, as far as sharpening it, but no matter what I do, it will not hold an edge. So we'll turn it into a different kind of a tool. Now we'll cut 5 pieces in half. You know, I always use my bow drill bowstring as a binder to aid in the batoning process. More companion stainless steel, dogwood baton. Fill the bucket up. Let's go ahead and take these scraps and make a log cabin fire lake. Bayite keyring ferro rod, 3-pack on Amazon, $15. if we can spin it around. Alright y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. We'll catch you on the next one.